What standards of review are applied when examining a court opinion? When a court opinion is examined, various standards of review come into play, each serving a distinct purpose in the judicial process. Understanding these standards is crucial for grasping how appellate courts evaluate decisions made by lower courts. The first standard is known as de novo review. This standard is applied when the appellate court is reviewing a matter of law. In this situation, the appellate court examines the legal issues without giving any deference to the lower court's conclusions. This means that the appellate judges are free to interpret the law as they see fit, making their own determinations based on the legal principles involved. Next, we have the abuse of discretion standard. This standard is often applied in cases involving trial court decisions that requiring a certain level of judgment, such as evidentiary rulings or the granting of motions. Under this standard, the appellate court will only overturn the lower court's decision if it finds that the trial court acted in a manner that was unreasonable or arbitrary. This standard acknowledges that trial judges have the discretion to make decisions based on their experience and understanding of the case. Another important standard is the substantial evidence standard. This is commonly used in administrative law cases or when reviewing factual findings made by a jury or a trial judge. Under this standard, the appellate court assesses whether there is sufficient evidence to support the lower court's findings. The focus here is on whether a reasonable person could have reached the same conclusion based on the evidence presented. Lastly, there is the clearly erroneous standard, which is often applied in cases involving factual determinations made by a trial judge. When using this standard, the appellate court will not overturn the lower court's findings unless it is left with a definite and firm conviction that a mistake has been made. This standard respects the trial court's role in assessing the credibility of witnesses and the weight of evidence. Each of these standards of review plays a vital role in ensuring that the judicial process remains fair and just. They provide a framework for appellate courts to evaluate lower court decisions while maintaining respect for the trial court's authority and expertise. Understanding these standards can enhance one's comprehension of how legal decisions are scrutinized in the appellate system.